to you. One, how to fly an airplane really badly. That takes a lot of skill to do so successfully. And the second, to land a Flying Piper J3 Cub on the back of a moving pickup truck. So Fred's got the truck up to speed about 50 miles an hour. Let's watch Greg Koontz as he's got the main gear down. Now he's still flying the aircraft. He has to get into some divots right at the front of the truck, right